Cool. So right now we're here because I was going to ask you to do the parallel park with the car in front. Let's get into position and do it on this car. Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. You're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor, FM. Today our students are going to show you how to do the parallel park or the reverse parking. We're going to show it to you from the student's perspective. So if you're a student or if you just want to know how to do this particular maneuver, let's watch the whole video to the end and hopefully you get some tips in how to do it. Don't forget to go to our site fmdrivingschool.co.uk. You can always check out the modules in how to drive a car. You see all the step-by-step guide in how to do the particular reverse exercise, and as well as every single module that you need to cover in your driving test. Do also go for our channel FM Driving School. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and in our channel you'll see all these top tips in how to pass your driving test, what the examiners look out for, how to pass your theory test, what your fully qualified driving instructor should be teaching you. So go check it out, and please guys don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's go back to the video. So go for it. What would you do?
Clutch.
Good. So basically we're getting the biting point ready.
And then it's left.
6-point check, yeah. Always from the left if you're moving off from the left side. Good. Yeah, go on. You can indicate, yeah. That's it. Double check that right, please, Sarah. Is it clear? Let's get going. Double check. And give yourself a nice 1/2 meter's gap from the car, parallel to the car. That's it. Straighten up. Good. That's it. Straighten the wheel first. And you stop roughly, you the driver, go forward a bit more. Roughly in line with the front of the car. Go forward a bit more, please. Good. So if you're too far forward, people don't know what you're doing. If you're in this position, they know you're trying to do a parallel park.
And then reverse.
Yes. Biting point, and then. Good. Good. From the right, wicked. Where's your first reference point when you're doing this maneuver?
The right.
Yeah, that's sticker. See that car coming? Let's see what he does. He's going around you. Okay, that's cool. Do your checks one more time quickly. There we go. So look at my sticker. Look here, others you'll miss it. Is it there? Hands up. No, is it there?
Yeah.
So what do you do if it's the sticker in the back of the car? What do you do?
Go left.
Wait, how many turns?
1.
Go on. Where are you going to look quickly? Blind spot.
Oh,
you have to check blind spot.
Swinging, yeah?
It's swinging out, yeah. Did you check?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Next reference point, where is it?
The door handle.
Good. With the back of the car. Could be slow.
And it's right.
But make sure it reaches it. Is it there? Good. So how many have you done? Stop the car quickly. Stop.
Oh.
How many circles have you done?
2.
One right. Sorry, one right now. Yeah. But make sure it's one there. Hold it there. It's cool. He's going around. Same car. Okay. Now you're gonna look where, Sarah? Small mirror. You want to see the gap because we're at this angle now. What's the gap saying?
It's a bit far.
It's a bit far. So because you're at a nice 45 degrees angle, just go back straight. Yeah. Keep the tires straight. Yeah. Look in the small mirror now. When you're close to the curb, tell me, and what would you do?
You go right.
Yeah, good. Not yet. Let's get a bit more close. Half that distance. That's close. What would you do? Good. One right. Yeah, good. Now, are we coming in?
Yeah.
Wicked. Look ahead then.
And then straight.
When you're straight. Not yet. Keep going back. So, tell me when you're straight. Good. Stop the car. Good. Handbrake neutral. That's how you do the maneuver. So 1 left, 2 rights, 1 left. Just come off everything. And you're allowed to go back within 2 cars lengths. So that's about 1.5 maybe, or 1 3/4. Just so you know, in the exam they give you this much space to make mistakes so you can go forward and correct it. That's how you do the maneuver. Wicked though. Well, I'm happy with that. Okay, let's move on from here, Sarah. Check out our site fmdrivingschool.co.uk. We're going to post up every single step-by-step guide in how to do this particular maneuver as well as the other maneuvers. Don't forget to also subscribe to our channel. We've got so many videos in how to pass your driving test and your theory test. Also, a big thank you to our student for taking part. Take care guys. Bye bye.